Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace your resume on Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Indeed dashboard where you can manage all your job search settings and documents. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view and edit all your personal information, work history, and uploaded documents. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you locate the Resume section. This is where all your uploaded resumes are stored and managed. You'll be able to see your current resume listed in this section, making it easy to identify which file you want to replace. Now look for the three dots icon beside your existing resume. This icon represents additional options for managing that specific document. Click on these three dots to open a small menu with more actions. From the menu that appears, select Replace File. This option allows you to swap out your current resume with a newer version without having to delete the old one first. It's a convenient way to keep your profile updated with your latest qualifications and experience. Next, a file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders to locate the updated resume file you want to upload. Once you find it, click on the file to select it, and then click the Open button to proceed with the upload. After selecting your file, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to replace your current resume. This is an important step to ensure you don't accidentally overwrite your document. Click Continue to proceed with the replacement. Now, Indeed will display a preview of your new resume. You'll need to wait a moment while the system loads and processes your document. This usually takes just a few seconds, but it's important to let it complete so you can verify everything looks correct. Once the preview fully loads, review it carefully to make sure all your information is displaying properly and the formatting looks good. If everything appears correct, click the button that says "Yes, this PDF looks right" to confirm and finalize the replacement. And that's it. Your resume on Indeed has now been successfully replaced with your updated version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.